Hey guys, coming to you with a 360 lace wig review from Idefine Hair. I did customize this wig myself, so if you want to know more information about this unit and how I dyed it, then definitely stay tuned. All right, you guys, so welcome back. I just wanted to insert a little voice over here. So what I'm going to do, I'm spraying down the wig with a little bit of water because I want to go ahead and brush it back, inspect the hairline, and see how much it needs to be plucked. So this is right after I lightly plucked the unit, not too much, but I did want a little bit more of a realistic look in the front. So I did go ahead and customize this wig to my taste using the Revlon Color Silk number 20, which is a brownish black. So guys, the lace is just brown like that because of makeup I put on it. It does wash out later, but definitely avoid the lace when you're dyeing the unit. As you can see, I left a little color at the end, and a little color is still showing through the hair at the front. And here is the final results. What's up, you guys? Thanks for tuning in again. It is Cutie Pie 88 coming to you guys with another wig review. Now, this is the first wig that I have ever reviewed like this. This is a 360 wig from Idefine Hair, 100% virgin hair. They did reach out to me and supply me with this unit to review, so this is a sponsored video. So thanks, Idefine Hair, for reaching out. So as you saw at the beginning, this wig looks a lot different than it originally came. It was a very beautiful highlighted blonde wig, but I felt like for more of my skin color and my just what I like, I wanted to go ahead and use some dye to dye this hair. And I wanted to show you guys that it did take the dye very, very well. So that does go to tell me this is some very good quality virgin hair. So let's start with the specs. Like I said, this is a 360 wig. I will leave the link of the wig either right here or down below because I can't remember the length. I think it was 24, I think. But don't quote me on that. Like I said, all the information will be in the description box below. So yeah, let's get right into it. This is a 360 unit. The color of the lace, I'll leave all that below. I don't know if it was a light brown or transparent. Sorry, I don't have all the details. It's on my phone and I'm recording with my phone, so I apologize, but I promise everything will be included down below in the description box. But yeah, so as you can see, I kind of didn't really take my precious time curling this hair, but it does curl well. Now it is more of a straight silky texture, so the curls won't last too long, especially without hairspray. But I did go ahead and leave some highlights in this hair, even though I did dye it with the box dye. So it is some color at the end. I'm loving the color at the end, just kind of like the peekaboo highlights. I'm not sure if you can really see it, but I'm loving this hair. It's very soft. And when I tell you, when I washed the dye out of this hair, I received little shedding and absolutely no tangling. So this hair does not tangle and it does not have flyaways. You will definitely get a very quality unit from this seller. It is no short flyaways. The lace blends with my skin color very well, and it was just it was very easy to lay down, and the hair is really soft. I'm not getting any tangles. Now, like I said, I will leave the density and everything down below, but this is all of the hair up front, and as you can tell as I'm brushing it, the curls are falling pretty quickly because I said it's straight hair, so you're going to kind of get that, especially with silky textures. The curl isn't going to last very long, but this is all the hair. Let me pull it off. The density is just right. I feel like it's not too thick, but it's definitely not thin. And this hair can get bigger. But here is the color of the hair. Hopefully you can see that kind of bronze color. Very nice. It was just a little bit too bright for me. The highlights were a little bit too out there, but I wanted to show you guys how it looked just in case you wanted to keep the unit that way. Definitely beautiful, but I felt like my roots needed to be a little bit darker, more than that orange kind of bronze color that it was. But you can part this anywhere. It's a either 13 by 6 or 13 by 4. It's 13 by 6, I believe, because there's no way this is 4 inches. So this 13 by 6, 360. So 360 lace is when the lace goes all the way around the unit. And I'm going to try to do a half up, half down ponytail style with the unit. But one thing I found out with this unit, it has a comb in the back. So it kind of makes it difficult to let the wig lay flat. And I feel like with the 360 unit, you get the best ponytails when it's absolutely no combs and no adjustable straps. It's just lace. This unit is not like that. It does have a comb in the back and adjustable straps. So it's a lot of hardware back there, if you understand what I'm saying, to let it lay like and sit smooth against your neck. This one is just lifting up. I guess it's too small for my head or something. I feel like it's medium to small head friendly, this wig, because I did have to kind of force it up for it to lay on my for it to lay on my forehead without sliding back, without any tension. I had to kind of pull it forward. So it was pretty small, and I have a small head. So this is like medium head friendly, but the quality is amazing. So like I said, I'm going to try to pull it up in a ponytail and kind of style it for you guys, but I don't think I'm going to get that flat slayed look in the back, even though it's a 360. So bear with me if you see the back of my nape is a little messed up. I tried, okay?
So of course, here is the wig all down, my favorite way of wearing wigs, all down in a side part. Just wanted to show the back, the density, very beautiful hair. I also love putting hair behind the ear. I just think it is so cute. So here is a style with it just simply behind your ear on both sides. Really cute. Really cute, simple and quick. Put it behind your ears and it just gives you a different look. I would add 2 bobby pins if you want it to stay like that all day. Here it is, just putting it in a simple low ponytail in the back. Very simple, but chic, but everyday look. So cute. This is my attempt at a half up, half down. So the top of the hair is pulled back in the ponytail while the back is just hanging down. If I had more time to kind of perfect it, it would look better, but you can definitely slick this back in a half up, half down style as well. So with this being a 360 unit, I was going to try to put this hair all up in a ponytail. However, it kept shifting off of my head. Now, I think I couldn't achieve that slick high ponytail look because the wig has wefts in the back. It has tracks in the back. A lot of the 360 units that you all see that is able to be pulled up in a completely slick ponytail is all lace, full lace wigs. This wig does have wefts in the back. And as you can see, the comb just wasn't staying attached to my head when I tried to slick it back. So I don't think it's achievable with this unit because it just has wefts in the back. Definitely get a 360 unit if you want that slick ponytail, high ponytail look.
All right, so as you can see, I tried, not saying that this wig cannot go in a ponytail because it definitely can. It is a 360 unit, but number one, I think I cut off too much lace in the back of the unit in order to help the unit stay down. And number two, you just have to know how to install it. This is, I installed this yesterday and I slept on it, so the lace was kind of lifting in some areas. I don't have any type of lace glue. I just use like Got2b spray, so it was lifting in certain places. But this wig can definitely go in a ponytail. I can't do it. You have to really know how to install units, 360 units, in order to put it in a complete and flat slate ponytail. I can't do it right now. I'm sorry, you guys, but I definitely think this wig is worth checking out. Check down the link, check out the link below in the description box. I love this unit. Like I said, you can wear it the way it came, or you can use cheap box dye and get this look, achieve this look. So definitely check it out. Thanks so much, Idefine Hair, for reaching out to me. Definitely check out my Instagram. It's QTeePie_hair. So that's QTEPIEE_hair. And before you go, here is the box that I did not show. So here is the box here. Open it up. The wig is stuffed with this. And they give you this cute little pouch full of goodies. So you get, all in all, 4 tan wig caps, 4 wig caps. And then you get a rat tail comb, which is always helpful, and a baby hair brush, as well as a set of tweezers. So that's all in the box. Here is the box, very well packaged. So yeah, definitely check out Idefine Hair. I love this unit. It is soft. You guys know I would tell you if this was a jacked up wig. It is not. It is a great wig, and I absolutely love the way the color came out. And I love the fact that it's actually virgin hair and that it took this box dye so well. Now, I did not bleach the knots in this unit. I did just put a little bit of foundation. And I'm not the expert. Like I said, I'm not an expert on the baby hair or laying it or nothing. But this unit, it's really not a lot to do to make it look good, unless you dye it, of course. But you don't have to do that. The wig was beautiful the way it came. I just feel like it needed to be a little bit darker for my liking. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks so much for watching. Be sure to rate, comment, subscribe, and check out pictures on my Instagram page, QTeePie_hair. Thanks for watching, you guys. Bye.